and gentlemen, I am so excited to take you through our latest and greatest addition we'll be doing here shortly on the 2021 Chevy Silverado build. It is Putco's Black Platinum Series trim. We'll be doing the rocker panels, which of course will cover this lower section front to back. We'll also be doing the pillar post trim. And how can we possibly forget the door sill trim? Takes just minutes to install, really dresses up your vehicle, and we are stoked to be able to show you how. Starting from the top, working our way to the bottom, we'll go ahead and feature first our pillar post trim. Absolutely excellent setup here. Putco really outdid themselves by adding this third accent that goes on your back door. So it's a really nice front to back finish, and on your front door you will get that bow tie emblem. Taking a look at our rocker panel, we have a nice sort of wave contour that comes into your front door and follows all the way to your bumper. At the very front, we do again have that ever so classic bow tie emblem with Chevrolet written out on there for you, so you don't forget which kind of truck you're actually dealing with here. Now on top of that, we are blown away by what a great simple addition the door sill trim has been. Now every time you take that first step into your truck, you are going to absolutely love the look. We have again the black platinum finish there, nice Chevy emblem, and the classic bow tie. Featuring with all of these different accessories here that you see today, they are all made out of 304 stainless steel, so they are guaranteed to last as long as you have your truck. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, we doubt you'll ever need it. These babies are born and bred in the USA. So if you ever have any issues, let us know. We bet you won't. What can I say, folks? We are blown away. We know you will be too. It took us half an hour to take this truck from already looking pretty sweet to absolutely stellar.